What we're briefly covering in this video are emergency vehicles running a red traffic light, be it an ambulance, a fire truck, or a police vehicle. Due to the urgency and nature of their respective tasks, time is often of the essence, and because of these time constraints, they frequently have to go against the flow of traffic and even the red traffic light. So be aware of that. In most cases, their urgency is accompanied by a siren. So if you're traveling and approaching an intersection, be aware of the presence of such an emergency vehicle as soon as you hear those sirens. So be cautious, especially of such a vehicle crossing at right angles to the direction that you're traveling. However, if there is an emergency vehicle behind you, then do your best to try and move out of their way so as to give them a clear path to move ahead at a rapid pace. In the animation, we see the driver of the red vehicle hasn't done so. Should have slowed down as soon as he heard that siren, and that's what's depicted in this real-life clip. Now we have an ambulance which is just on the far side of this vehicle, so you can't really see it. We do have another vehicle approaching from the side. He should have been on a heightened state of alert because of the sound of the siren accompanying the ambulance, and so should have slowed down and entered the intersection a lot more cautiously so as to give way to any emergency vehicles that appear. But he doesn't do so, continues at the same speed, and unfortunately just collides with that ambulance. In the next real-life clip, I've included this because aside from an emergency vehicle per se, there could be other drivers or other vehicles that are in a state of emergency, and that's what we'll see with this driver over here. So he proceeds cautiously. However, he does have his hazard lights on, which indicates some or other emergency or urgency on his part. And because of that, these drivers could have taken notice of that and perhaps being more courteous in giving him the space to go ahead. So also take note of that. This driver may have some or other medical emergency, and so we don't know what the situation is with other drivers on the road, and where we see somebody in a situation such as this, rather just give them that freeness of access. It may cost us just a few seconds, but it could be vital seconds as far as they're concerned. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.